go say hi to Bailey. Go say hi to Bailey.
Hi, Bailey. Do you want to play with me, Bailey? Hey, Bailey. Bailey.
Give her a hug.
And a kiss?
Sure.
She looked my face.
I'm sure.
Whoa.
Are you doing exercises? Hey Mia, show us how you do yoga.
She do like,
Can you do some yoga? The frog?
yeah.
Can you show us the dog?
A cat.
Okay. Oh yeah, show us the cat. Stretching your back like a cat. Can you show me? That's the frog.
It's a cat. That's a cat do.
What's a cat do?
Like this. Cats do like this.
What do dogs do?
Ruff, ruff. Cats do like this. Ruff, ruff.
What about an elephant?
Ruff.
That's a scary elephant.
You're scary.
Ruff.
You're scary.
Mommy.
You're scary.
Mommy, don't cry. I'm Mia.
Oh good.
It's right, don't cry. I'm Mia.
Okay.
Daddy, I'm Mia.
Hi, Mia.
Your eye itch.
No.
Good.
Huh? Huh?
What are you looking for? Your shadow?
Mia. Huh?
What are you looking for?
I'm just looking at Sarah.
Your shadow?
Hi, Bear. I'm just being Bear.
That's nice of you.
Let me see. Hey, what?